The question is, match the metal ions given in column 1 with the spin magnetic moments of the ions given in column 2 and assign the correct code. The solution is, now let us consider each case. CO3 plus can be written as Ar3d6, and here Ar will be the inner gas configuration and 3d6 will be the outermost shell. Therefore, the unpaired electrons will be 4. Now, the spin magnetic formula is given by under root n into n plus 2, where n are the unpaired electrons. Using this formula, we get the spin magnetic moment as under 420 root Bm. Now, in case of Cr3 plus, the number of unpaired electron will be 3. Using that in the formula, we get under root 15 Bm. For Fe3 plus, the unpaired electron will be 5, giving us under root 35 Bm as the spin magnetic moment. And for Ni2 plus, the number of unpaired electron will be 2, giving us the spin magnetic moment as under root 8 Bm. On matching the options, we get the answer as option 1.